Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we learn how to get HTML slideshow with help of JavaScript. Now we create responsive slideshow. In website folder we have 4 images, our content images. Now go to Sublime Text Editor, File, New, Tools, Command Place, type HTML and enter. Now type HTML and control spacebar. Now add your title HTML slideshow. Firstly, we need to add meta line, meta name equal to viewport and content equal to width equal to device minus width and initial space, scale equal to 1. Now we add our CSS. For CSS we use style. Now in CSS first we need to add our box sizing border box. Now we create our body tag. In body we use font family Vardhana and sans serif type. Now create your slides. My slides display equal to none. We use display because we create our slideshow animated. Now create your container slideshow container. In container maximum width equal to 100% and position equal to relative, margin auto. Now we create our text for caption, color F2 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 and font size 15 px and padding 8 px around 12 px. Left or top bottom margin, position absolute, it means fixed, bottom 8 px, width 100% and texture line. The first one center. Now we create slideshow number text. Now we copy and paste this code in this and little bit changes. Now the bottom will be top and we delete both of us. Now we have color, font size, padding, position and top. Now create your dot, which means pointer, bullet or anything. Height equal to 13 px, width equal to again 13 px, which means square. Now margin 0 to 2 px, background color transparent, border radius 50%, display inline block, transition In transition, background color 0.6 as now. We create a dot transition background color now. We need to add our active background color 717171 hexadecimal code. Now we create our animation fade webkit animation name fade. Now webkit animation duration 1.5 second. Now animation name fade animation duration 1.5 second. Now add your keyframe at the rate minus webkit minus keyframes fade. Now from opacity 0.4 to opacity 1. Now add your one more keyframe fade. Now same code as above. Now we create our animation. The webkit animation name equal to fade, webkit animation duration equal to 1.5 second, animation name equal to fade and duration. Now we create our fade animation keyframe webkit minus keyframes fade opacity 0.4 to 1. In last we add our media screen, media only screen and maximum width 300 px. When the maximum is 300, dot text font will be small. Now our CSS is completed. Now we add to our style. Now we add first div class equal to slideshow container. Now div for slides class equal to my slides and fade. Now div class equal to number text 1/3. Now add a image directory img1.jpg which are saved in our directory img1.jpg and add style width equal to 100% and add your caption div class equal to text caption text. Now copy and paste 4 times, 3 times more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We one more time we delete it. Now this is 1, 1. This is 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4 and 4 4. Now change your image 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now save your file in your folder slideshow.html, but when you open your file you see nothing. If you add break line and again we go to tools, command place, tab and enter, div style equal to text align center, we create spam class equal to dot, we add 3 more dots. Now save it and refresh it. You can see only the dots, but you can display your image without using JavaScript because we use display as a none. If you delete it, display as a none and save as, you can see your images in your display. But we need to add our images in slideshow in one container. Now display none, we less our container size equal to 80%. Now save. Now we add our JavaScript. For JavaScript we use script tag type equal to JavaScript. In first we need to create where slide index equal to 0, which means nulls. Now we create a method show slides now create method function name is show slides which have nothing to arguments. Now in function we create first where I is not popular as loop and where slides equal to document dot get element, not by tag name defined, not by tag name, it's class name. Now in double core we copy which name my slides, copy and paste and create our dots and copy your dot class and called. It's a most important in this, you can this same as your above. Document dot get element by class name. Okay, now we code for we functionally we remove I equal to 0. Yeah, we use this one for which mean I equal to 0. This is a compile matter, but we write our for where I equal to 0 and I is equal to slides dot length and I plus plus. Now slides dot I bracket I dot style dot display equal to none. It's our first loop. Now save it which mean if size or length equal to less than, now the size or length equal to this. Now slide index increment. If slide index length slides dot length, if this code slide index equal to 1. Now again for I equal to 0 and dot length equal to this, and increment dot dot class name equal to copy this and paste dot replace active and double core. Now slides equal to slides index -1 dot style dot display equal to block, and same as dots slides index -1 dot class name plus equal to active. Active is our class name. Set as times out, set timeout show slides and $5,000. If your code is right, it will run, else it will not show anything. If any error, it will show nothing if you refresh. Now we check our code for first time. Where slideshow index to 1 slideshow, where slides equal to document dot get elements by something more error. If you want to check error, you go to inspect element, and this the element name is not defined, tag error. Now check document dot get element by class name. Now refresh, you can see our slideshow is running. If the 5 seconds of above, it will automatically change our content. It is our caption text which are white. It is the first text. Now see the code again. If we change to 2 seconds and change it and refresh in browser, you can see the animation is working, but we can change our slides name. The whole image is name. Now we check our code. Document dot get element by my slides, document dot get element by this. If I equal to 0, i's length equal to slides dot length increment. If slide equal to display, equal to none and slides equal to plus plus. If slide index is greater than slide index equal to 1, if this code will run I equal to 0, dot load length equal to plus, dot class equal to this name and dot equal to active. Now slides slide index minus 1 dot slide dot display equal to block, else dot slide index minus 1 equal to active. Set timeout show slides equal to this. If we refresh it for the internet connection, it will not running. When we go to insert element and check error, this means the set timeout is not defined. We defined our undefinable error not defined because the sometimes some classes are not got definitely. When you paste your when you connected with internet, it will run now. Now you can see it will change our pages automatically. We can do nothing. Every 4 seconds, the 2 seconds the page will change. Now refresh first, second and third and third one. Now the slider is automatically working. Now you can see the example. Now the caption text is not visible. Now we change the color of our caption text. Check text. In text we add color F2 F2 with the red. Now save as and refresh your file. Now the caption is visible. Now you can see the slideshow is working very fine. If you have any query about this slideshow, comment in text box. Thanks for watching this video.